y'all? It's your girl Mandy, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing my Easter look for you guys. So happy Easter. And I'm going in with my eyeshadow base just so we can get started on this look. I think I was upset because I couldn't find what can I find? What you looking for? Hello? I found it. It was my brush. Okay. Anyways, we're going to put that base all over my eyelid like that. Okay. You see it? Boom. So now we're going into the eyeshadow. We're using the Birds of Paradise Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm actually going to go in with the color Adventure, as you can see. Okay, period. And you're gonna see me just define this purple all in the outer crease of my eye. Alright, so it's time for the second color. I'm going to go in, I think it's pronounced Macau, I don't know. Anyways, as you can see, I'm going to just blend the two colors, Adventure and Macau, together, and also bring Macau out a little bit into the eyelid, you know, further out. As you can see, I'm just going back in with that purple just to deepen it up. Going in with that beautiful pink vacay, and I'm just going to go and put that all over the middle of the eyelid, also blending that in with Macau. Now I'm going to go in with Two Can Play, all right, that nice bright orange, and we're going to put this closer to the inner of the eye, but leave some space. You don't want to put it near the tear duct exactly, because we got one more color to go. The last color is Canary, which is that yellow, and that's the one we're putting in the tear duct. Okay. I'm back with the full face. Now I'm just going to be doing the under eye. I'm going with this green color called Budgie. I guess that's how it's pronounced. It reminds me of a lime. But anyways, I'm just putting that all underneath the eye. And I think this look would really be nice if you have like a eyeliner, like a green eyeliner. But I didn't have that. So as you can see, I'm getting really close to the waterline. All right, so now I'm just going in with some mascara just to make my eyes pop. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was fun creating this colorful look for you guys. I don't know if I said it in the beginning of the video, but if I hadn't, the reason I came up with this look is because it's Easter, okay? Whenever I think of Easter, I think of the colorful eggs. So I was like, you know what, let me hit them with a little something, all right? But I want you guys to keep in mind, okay, that living another day of life is a blessing in general. No matter how hard life gets, you always want to thank God for another day, okay? Jesus came down, he died on the cross for our sins, and that is so beautiful, and I'm so thankful for that, and I'm so thankful for breathing today. And you know, just like Jesus had a mission and he was here to save lives, okay, save our souls, you yourself as an individual have a plan, and you need to hear the word, or if you haven't, pray about it, you know? So I'm gonna pick up my earring because if I'm on the ground, it's a little heavy. I didn't put the back piece on, but enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.